The FDA has not evaluated these statements and does not recognize cannabis as a medicine, and therefore cannabis is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. The information presented is not a substitute for or alternative to information from healthcare practitioners. How to not cough when smoking weed. Cannabis is popular for its relaxing effects, but many users experience coughing, particularly beginners. This is due to the irritants and toxins released when marijuana is smoked, which trigger the body's natural coughing reflex. Compounds in cannabis, like CBD and THCV, activate channels in the respiratory system, further contributing to coughing. To minimize coughing, staying hydrated is essential. Drinking water before, during, and after smoking helps soothe the throat and clear irritants. Taking slow, controlled inhalations is also key. Rather than inhaling deeply and quickly, try to inhale gently as if sipping through a straw. Using bongs can reduce irritation, as the water filters out some toxins and cools the smoke. Additionally, avoid holding your breath, as most THC is absorbed within seconds of inhalation. If a coughing fit occurs, pause and focus on deep breathing to relax the respiratory system. Drinking warm liquids like tea or water can also soothe the throat. Honey, known for its anti-inflammatory and soothing properties, can help alleviate irritation. For a completely cough-free experience, consider edibles or tinctures. Edibles and tinctures provide a smooth, potent experience without affecting the respiratory system. These alternatives offer a more enjoyable, cough-free cannabis experience. If you are looking to explore medical cannabis treatment, please schedule an appointment with a licensed healthcare professional today on our website or by clicking on our website link in the video description below.